In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Amazon order status. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each status means so you can keep track of your deliveries with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.co.uk. You can type the address directly into the address bar or search for Amazon UK and select the official result. When the homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the correct Amazon account, the one you used to place the order you want to check. If you see a prompt to sign in, go ahead and enter your login details securely. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, you're ready for the next move. Now look toward the top right corner of the page for the link labeled Returns and Orders. It's typically near Account and Lists and the basket icon. Click Returns and Orders. This takes you to your orders page, which is the central place for tracking everything you've bought. By default, you'll see your most recent orders. Each order card shows the item image and title, the order date, and most importantly, the current status, things like not yet dispatched, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. To see more detail, find the order you're interested in and click Track Package or Track Shipment if it's available. This opens a timeline with updates from the carrier, including when the parcel left the warehouse, where it is in transit, and the estimated delivery date. If your order contains multiple items, you might see more than one package with separate tracking. In that case, the timeline for each package will be shown individually, and you can switch between them on the same page. Back on the orders page, you can narrow what you're seeing using the time filter, such as the past 30 days, or by typing a product name into the search box. If you need more context about a specific order, select View Order Details. That page gives you the delivery address you chose, the delivery speed, and links to download an invoice or contact the seller when it's a marketplace purchase. If you can't find something, check the additional tabs or links on the orders page, such as canceled orders or digital orders, and confirm you're in the correct regional site and signed into the right account. Also keep in mind that very recent orders may take a short moment to appear with a status. That's it. Go to amazon.co.uk, click Returns and Orders, and use Track Package to follow your delivery step by step. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.